Good day, friends. Lunch is ready. What do I have in my plate? I have grilled salmon, vegetables, and cauliflower rice. Fried. I tried to fry it today, so cauliflower rice. I have vegetables. I have in my plate broccoli with carrots and onions. I sauteed broccoli, carrots, and red onions. It tastes super delicious, and I grilled salmon fish. So that's what I have in my lunch plate for today. So let me take a bite and I'll tell you guys how it tastes. I always marinate my fish. For a long time now, I've been eating fish, different kinds of fish. It tastes so good. I love my fish. I always marinate for 24 hours. And honestly, it tastes so good. And then this is the vegetable. I have broccoli. That tastes super good. One day I need to open a cooking channel. And this is the cauliflower rice. Like I told you guys, this being my rice, the cauliflower rice. I don't miss the regular rice at all. That tastes super delicious. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later, maybe tomorrow, and show you guys what I have in my lunch plate. Okay? You all have a wonderful and blessed day. Take care now. Bye.